Hey Sarah, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting this free video. Today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. It's important to note that nearly 70% of all organic leads are going to come from this website, so it is really important that your website be properly optimized. Also, I do apologize for my air conditioner in the background. It's still really hot here, so I can't turn it off, so I do apologize for that. Okay, so we're on your website. You have a good looking website. It looks like you have separate pages for every one of your services, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want. Hopefully, all of those pages have their own original content and local buyer intent keywords. Okay, looks like you service 2 counties. So if you don't have the pages, I would highly recommend that every city in these counties that you service to have search volume, I would recommend that they each have their own page so that you can be found organically in each of those areas for your services. Service area pages should be like mini home pages, which home pages are supposed to be like a summary of all your services. So let's see here. Okay. You do have some interlinking, so that is good. But I'm not seeing any local buyer intent keywords. Nope. A little bit of content, but no relevant local keywords. So this is good. The summaries are good, but you're missing your local keywords. So Google doesn't rank a website based on appearance. It is based on content. Content is key. Your homepage needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for your services in your service areas. Most of these words here would be considered national keywords. One, which are much harder to rank for generally, and two, if you're not servicing nationally, you may possibly get a couple hits to your website from local people, but most of it's going to be from across the country, and they're not going to convert into customers. So you need to focus on local buyer intent keywords. That's going to be like water damage restoration, Salt Lake City, things like that. Google has robots that go and index all of these pages looking for original content and keywords. Google does not like duplicated content, and so they won't index you for a lot of things if it's duplicated. So everything needs original content, their own keywords on each page, so you don't have keyword cannibalization going on. That way Google could index you and put you in front of your customers. Your top competitor in Salt Lake is AAA Restoration when it comes to water damage. They don't have a fabulous website, but they do have separate pages for all their services. They are missing the boat when it comes to service area pages. They're missing a ton of customers because of that. They are focused on local buyer intent keywords. And so they're actually ranking because they're using those buyer intent keywords. In order to beat these guys, you would have to have more content and dial in that keyword strategy, and then have that supported by SEO, which is search engine optimization, because a website all by itself will not be found online. So if we look here, it looks like you must have some sort of SEO, or at least at some point you did. Um, you have a rating of an 8 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is not terrible. Um, but not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal. I apologize, I skipped a step. So this score is based 100% on your referring domains and backlinks. Google does not only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. Now, what a referring domain is, it's any website that will provide a link to your website, whereas the backlink is the actual link coming from another website to your website. The whole intention is to drive traffic. So you also want to make sure that they're authoritative links, which means they're directly related to your industry, and that they're do follow links, because do follow links will share the power of higher ranking sites and help you to rank faster. If we look here, you only have 70 do follow links, which means you only have 70 out of 900 backlinks that are doing anything remotely to help your website. You have been indexed for 26 keywords, but you're only getting, on average, one person to your website per month. So you're missing a ton of traffic and potential customers. Looking at your keywords, you have one keyword on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page. You do have some buyer intent keywords here, which is great, but they're not ranking yet. They're getting close to the first page, but they're not there. So you definitely need to have your backlinks being tied to these keywords so that you can start ranking those to the first page of Google, but not just for your home page, for all of your pages. Your competitor has a rating of a 26 with over 2,000 backlinks and over 300 referring domains. Only 115 are do follows. So to beat these guys, you would have to have more than 115 referring domains that are better quality. And let's see, they have over 1,300 keywords, and they're being not indexed. They're getting over 346 people to their website a month without having any service area pages. So again, it just shows you the type of volume that you're missing. And the last piece is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for all your service areas and major keywords, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't search anywhere else. And so if you're not listed here, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are citations. And that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Instagram. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for each of your services and service areas using those important keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.